Today's easy and tasty recipe is shepherd's pie. As a child, I enjoyed this recipe many times, and it really takes me back. I remember that there was never very much of it left over after it was cooked. My mother's shepherd's pie recipe is a classic casserole. Cooked ground beef and savoury vegetables, cheese topped with mashed potato and baked to perfection. This is a cheap and delicious meal that your family and friends will really enjoy. We start with preheating the oven to a 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit temperature. Take a baking dish and fill the bottom with mince around about 10 millimetres. Add a light sprinkle of Worcestershire sauce over the beef. Lay an array of onions, tomato and carrots. Sprinkle with black pepper and salt. Then add a layer of cheese. Place a second layer of mince and repeat the process. Add a little sprinkle of Worcestershire sauce, a second row of sliced onions, tomato and carrots, black pepper and salt. Next, place the peeled and quartered potatoes in a medium pot and cover with at least an inch of cold water. Add a teaspoon of salt and bring to the boil. Reduce to a simmer and cook until tender, about 20 minutes. You'll know when they're done by poking a fork into them easily. Remove from the pot and place them in a bowl with the remaining 4 teaspoons of butter. Mash the potatoes to taste and adjust seasoning of salt and pepper. To bake, cover with aluminium foil and place in the oven for 30 minutes at 200 Celsius. After 30 minutes, pull out and remove the aluminium foil. Cover with mashed potatoes and paste back in the oven for 15 minutes. Cut into squares and serve with green vegetables. Also great for barbecues with salads. You've been listening to Philip Gale, and this is Philip's Cooking Recipes. If you've enjoyed this presentation, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.